Assalamu alaikum everybody, this is my 53rd algorithm video. In this task we are given a list array. We need to find the majority element. So what is the majority element? For example, the length of this list array is 5. So half of it would be 2.5. Majority element is an element that appears strictly more than n over 2 times in the array, meaning that the majority element should come at least 3 times in the list array. Okay, so let's get to making of the algorithm. I would make the variable majority element and I would give it a value of -1. Then I would make a dictionary of elements for if number now let's print the dictionary. So as you can see, the number 3 has occurred 3 times, number 1 has occurred 1 time, and number 2 has occurred 1 time. Now we would iterate through the dictionary. If value is greater than the half of the length of the array, then we update the majority element to frequency and we also make a flag variable. This flag variable indicates that no majority element is found. However, if a majority element is found, we update the flag variable to 1. If flag variable is equal to 1, we print majority element. Else, if the flag variable is not updated, we print there is no majority element. So yes, there is a majority element 3. Now if I change the question to 1, 2, 3, so there would be no majority element in this case, because 1 occurs 1 time, 2 occurs 1 time, 3 occurs 1 time. There is no majority element. I hope you understood this algorithm. Please share, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.